Hello and welcome to London Car Alarm Company. Today we've just come out and fitted an Autowatch Ghost 2 on a 2017 facelift C-Class AMG. How the system works is really simple. If someone was to grab this key, jump in and try and start it. Here's the key here. I've got the key in my hand. Let me just move the seat forward. If I put my foot on the brake and try and start it, it just won't start, okay? It just won't start. So every time the customer jumps in the vehicle, they just have to reteach themselves, no foot on the brake, tap the start button once for accessory, and then again for main ignition, make sure you've got your yellow and your red lights on. Insert a code on here, which we're gonna change. We've done a very basic code, so 1, 2, 3, 4. Watch the full beam inside, give us a double flash. There's our double flash. Foot on the brake and start it. Okay, really simple and straightforward to use. If the customer wants to take it for a service and he wants to place it in valet mode, this is the way you would do it. So let's just wait for it to arm. It takes about 8 to 10 seconds to arm on this. So again, main ignition on, so tap the start button twice for yellow and red lights. Pass authorization. I'm only using one button, but you can use more than one button in case you think it's this very basic and everyone will think about it. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Wait for our authorization, the full beam flash inside. There you go. And then hit the driver's window button up 5 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We'll get 5 full beam flashes inside. There you go, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And now it's in valet mode. So as long as you don't go over 30 miles an hour for 15 minutes solid, okay, it won't jump out. So let's just open the door, close the door, wait for it to set normally, but obviously it's in valet mode, so it's not going to set. Foot on the brake, vehicle starts no problem, okay? Once you get the vehicle back from a car wash or a service, to take it out of valet mode, just main ignition on, yellow and red lights, insert your code, 1, 2, 3, 4. Get our double flash. There you go. Turn the start button off, and within 8 to 10 seconds, you'll see it will arm. Okay? So just keep watching. If I try and start it now, foot on the brake, it just won't start. Okay? If I want to change the code, this is also very simple. And the way you would do that is main ignition on, vehicle can't be running, yellow and red lights on. Insert the code to pass authorization, 1, 2, 3, 4. Wait for our double flash. There you go. Then foot to the floor on the accelerator. Insert the same code again. So 1, 2, 3, 4. The full beam will begin to flash. And once it starts to flash, let go of the accelerator and you're in learn mode. So now we're going to do something very basic. I don't know how you're going to see that, but it's flashing away. So if I touch any button on the network, if it flashes inside, that means that we can use that button. So I'm going to do something basic. So keep watching. I'm going to do the window buttons. So tap, 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 tap. We'll get 3 flashes if you watch carefully. And to confirm the same code again, 1, 2, 3, 4. If the code is correct from the first to the second, we'll get 2 flashes. That new code has now been learned. So if I turn the start button off, wait for it to sit, should be sit now, foot on the brake, try and start it, it just won't start, okay? So let's just try the new code now. So turn the start button on, insert the new code, so watch again, 1, 2, 3, 4, wait for our double flash, there's our double flash, foot on the brake and start. As I said, this is the Ghost 2 Immobiliser fitted to a 2017 C-Class Mercedes AMG. My name's Otto. Give us a call, 0890 60478, 0890 60478. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.